Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add payment methods on your Shopify store. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now what you guys need to do first is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on you want to click on payments. Okay, so when you click guys on payments, just keep in mind that each country has different page. Okay, if you can see here Shopify payments, that means you are from United States, and people from America, you will be able to enable Shopify payments on their Shopify store. And Shopify payments is very good compared to other payment providers. It make you better checkouts, and also the rates are very low compared to other payment providers. But if you don't live in United States, it's not really that important. Like, you can always use Stripe, you can use other payment providers. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how you can enable this. Okay, so first, like I said, just click on payments, and if you have Shopify payments here, enable it. It's the best. Okay, it's the best for US people. Now if you don't have it, that means you will be able to see here third-party providers. Okay, now let me show you here what you are going to see if you don't live in the United States. So this is what you are going to see. You will see here payment providers, that enable you to access payments at a rate set by third party. 2% fee applies to payment processed through third-party providers. Now if you click here on choose provider, this is for people that don't live in the United States. Now if you search here, for example, for Stripe, okay, Stripe, it says here Stripe is very good payment provider. It's very reliable compared to other one. So if you live outside of the United States, I always recommend you guys to enable Stripe on your account. Okay, you can accept Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, like a lot of payment providers here. I tried them all, but the Stripe is very good compared to other payment providers. Now if you want, you can always enable PayPal. Okay, just need to click on activate PayPal, or you can click on add payment and then search for PayPal. Now you just need to search for the payment provider you want to use inside your Shopify store. You can also do cash on delivery if you want. You can add payments outside of your online store. Orders paid manually must be approved before being fulfilled. You can, for example, you can add manual payment method, for example, cash on delivery, which is like COD. Now you can just add additional details here, payment instructions. When they place the order, you will be able to see this payment instruction, like something like you will pay this X after you receive the item. Okay, so, or you can add any payment provider, like I said, inside your Shopify store. So let's go with the third party one. Okay, so I'm going to go choose provider here. Now if you like third payment providers, you can just search for any provider you want to use. You can also use Payoneer, but you will have to receive at least $10,000 every month in order to use Payoneer checkout. So just keep that in mind. Stripe, like I said, is the best. It will allow you to accept American Express, Apple Pay, MasterCard, Visa card, and the more. Okay, so you can also use, for example, here at payment method, you can search also by provider. For example, you can search for Coinbase, eCommerce. You can also access Bitcoin. If you want, you can search by payment method, for example, Bitcoin. If you search here, if you want to access Bitcoin on your Shopify, you will be able to see here which payment providers that allow you to access Bitcoin. Like I said, in this case, Coinbase eCommerce allows you to access Bitcoin payments. Okay, you can also search Ethereum or Visa, for example, Visa cards. Okay, if you search here for Visa, you can also add another payment methods. Now it says here, I want to access this payment method, which is Visa card. Okay, you will be able to see all the payment providers, which in this case 23 providers offer this payment method. Okay, including this one, as you can see, PayFlex, as you can see, Paygate, Faster Pay. All these offer 2% transaction fee. Okay, so they will allow you guys to accept like over 45 payment methods, okay, including Visa card and MasterCard. Okay, so this is literally like the best way to add the payment provider to your own Shopify store so that you can start receiving payments. Now I always recommend Stripe. If you live in Europe, you will be able to use Stripe. In Africa, there will be PayPal. The transaction fee here is 2%. If you live in Africa, you can just enable PayPal here. Just click on activate PayPal, and then you can then activate PayPal on your Shopify, but you will not be able to use their credit card. You will have to pay using PayPal too. Okay, so if you want them to pay using credit card, debit card, like Visa card, you can just use Stripe. Like I said, just search here for choose provider and just search for Stripe. Okay, so you can always comment below and tell me exactly where your country, and they will tell you guys the payment provider you want to use. Okay, in the top at the bottom, just search, leave a comment there, and they will tell you exactly guys what to do. Okay, so I will try to reply to everyone. So yeah, see you guys next tutorial. Drop a like and see you guys next video.